y'all. You ain't gonna believe where I'm at. I'm at Goldenberg's Chicken. When the last time you had Goldenberg's? Boy, this place. I done grew up eating some Goldenberg's best chicken, you guys. I'm on 83rd and Western, you guys. Woo! Well, I'm going to go get the turkeys, you guys, so come along with me. I'm about to get these fried turkeys my sister bought for us. She's a turkey queen. She loves turkey. All right, you guys. Let me go get these turkeys. I'm going to show it to you. All right, you guys, this is inside Goldenberg's. I haven't been here for a long time. Ooh, look at you guys. Gotta pick up this turkey. Ooh, they still got gizzards on the thing. Catfish dinner. Gizzards, $7.89. All right, you guys. I'm here to pick up these turkeys. Ooh, you guys, these are the turkeys, the fried turkeys. Ooh-wee. We're gonna cut them up and let you guys see how it looks. We're gonna tell you how it tastes. All right. You guys, we got our food from Goldenberg's. I gotta show you guys the turkey later, but right now I'm gonna show you what we got, you guys. All right, hold on. Yeah, Goldenberg's, and you see your girl. I got the chicken strips and an onion ring. Got the hot sauce. Got those good old pickles. And let's see what my husband got. What did you get, Michael?
I got 2 thighs and a wing. It comes with biscuit. It comes with hot sauce. It comes with the sweet pickles. I got the yams. Bam, let me open that for y'all.
Over the yams.
And you know I ain't supposed to be eating that. You know it. Also, we got the red beans. I didn't get the rice with it because I'm trying to keep it good. But the stuff, so fresh every day. Oh, dang.
All right, you guys. Your girl is gonna taste the chicken strip. Ooh.
Dip it. Yeah.
Ooh. Look at that, you guys. And don't forget the pickle. And the biscuits, you guys. Oh my God. So good. And let me taste the onion rings, you guys. Look at those onion rings. So good.
Good, so good.
I'm telling you guys, Goldenberg still tastes like Goldenberg. You guys, these onion rings are so good. Don't forget to get you some with some ranch dip. I'm gonna see what Michael got, you guys. This one he got.
All right, y'all. You know what? I got the 2 thighs and I got the wing with the biscuits and the red beans and rice and the yams, but I'm finna bite into this without how sauce is. I'm gonna show y'all.
You gotta taste the beans. The chicken inside. Look at that chicken, you guys. Is it good, Michael?
That's Goldenberg's that I know.
That's Goldenberg's, you guys.
Got a lot of fake Goldenberg's, but this is the real deal right here on Western, 83rd. Let me taste the biscuit.
Look, you guys, don't forget he gotta taste these yams for us.
Oh man.
Taste the yams, Michael, and the beans.
The biscuit's not what they used to be, but they're still good. Don't get me wrong. When they used to be. Those biscuits like mama make them. Yeah.
How's the beans?
I'm trying, but the yams. Like,
Are they sweet, the yams?
Oh, they're not real sweet, but they're right. And it's red beans and rice. I ain't know there's rice in here. That's good. Thumbs up. And you know what? Because of that, I'm gonna taste one of these onion rings.
Hey, you gotta dip it in here. Well, you gotta dip it in the ranch. You guys, the ranch. Oh my God, so good.
Oh man.
Ooh. All right, you guys, don't forget to come to Goldenberg's. I know you haven't been in a long time, but I haven't been here in a long time, but they're still the same, you guys. They taste good. Don't forget to like and subscribe, your girl. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one, all right? All right.